Let's get started with Perfect Your Resume. Because honestly, when I apply for jobs, I don't want to guess if my resume is a good match. Theo not only tells me my match score, but what's missing and how to fix it. From my dashboard, I'm going to click on Perfect Resume. Here, Theo gives me two options. I can upload a job description or just add the role information manually. For this example, I'll paste in the job description for a marketing intern role. Next, I'll upload my existing resume. Theo instantly analyzes it and gives me a match score. This tells me how closely my resume aligns with my job requirements. I can see which top requirements I've met and where I might be missing key skills. If I hover over each match, Theo explains the reasoning, so I know exactly what's working and what needs improvement. Now I'll click Optimize Resume. Based on each theme we see to our left, Theo asks me targeted questions to better tailor my resume for this role. The goal isn't just to answer every question. It's to work with Theo to uncover parts of my professional experience I might have overlooked. Theo helps me identify transferable skills, reframe past projects, and highlight achievements in a way that aligns with the job description. As we refine the answers, the match score may improve when the information is relevant, but more importantly, I'm building a sharper, more compelling story for employers. Once I feel my resume tells the strongest version of my professional journey, I'll click Generate Resume, and Theo will create multiple optimized formats. From here, I can download my preferred version and send it directly to my instructor. Don't you hate writing cover letters for every job you apply for? Well, with Theo, you get a tailored cover letter instantly that actually connects your experiences to the job that you're applying for. After optimizing your resume, Theo automatically generates a personalized cover letter for that exact role. Notice how it doesn't just repeat my resume. It tells a story about why I'm excited about the specific company and role. The best part, I can easily customize it further and share it with my instructor for feedback before sending it to employers.